Leech therapy, also known as hydrotherapy, is a type of alternative medicine that uses medicinal leeches to suck blood from the skin. It has been used for centuries to treat a variety of conditions, including circulatory disorders such as varicose veins, hemorrhoids, and lymphedema, skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis, painful conditions such as arthritis, and migrainous wounds and burns post-surgical complications. Leech therapy is thought to work by increasing blood flow and reducing inflammation. The leech's saliva contains a number of biologically active substances, including hirudin, which is a natural anticoagulant. These substances can help to break up blood clots, improve circulation, and reduce swelling. Leech therapy is generally safe, but there are some potential side effects, such as bleeding, infection, and allergic reactions. It is important to talk to you,